everyone. This is a conversation between two roommates who live in the same apartment. They are Meera and Ritu. Hi Meera. Hey, what's the matter Ritu? Why did you come back so late from college? Well, our exams are starting from next week. So sir took an extra class today. Why? Hasn't your syllabus been completed yet? No, that is the problem. There are so many things left to study. I don't know how I will complete all of it. Study hard for a few days and you will do great in your exams. There's nothing to worry about. I hope so. Tell me about your exams. How are they going? My exams just got over today. That's amazing. So now you are free. How did your exams go? They were nice. I hope the result will be good as well. Of course, you will do well. You studied so hard. You are tired now and you have a lot to study as well. Go to your room and study. I will prepare dinner for both of us. You made the breakfast today morning. Will you be able to make the dinner as well? That's not a problem. I am free now. I can make it. Oh Meera, you are the sweetest. Okay, now go and freshen up. I am going to the kitchen. Ritu, dinner is ready. Come fast. Oh wow, you made pasta. I love pasta. Eat it and tell me how it is. It's delicious, really. Ritu, I need to talk with you about something. Yeah, I'm listening. Tell me. I think I have to leave this apartment next month. Why? What happened? You already know the rent of this apartment is too much. My parents cannot afford it every month. That's true, but where will you stay now? There is still 1 year left for your college to finish. One of my uncle's home is here. I hope I will settle there. I have heard about your uncle's house, but isn't it quite far away from your college? There is no other option, and I know that it will be a problem for you as well. You have to find another roommate. That's not the problem. If you go, then I would feel very bad. Is there no way you can stay here? No, Ritu. Look, my parents are not able to send this month rent till now. Think about their situation. I can give you rent for this month. You can pay me back later. No, Ritu, this is not the problem of just 1 month. I just wish I could help my father in some way. Can I say something? Yeah. If you want to help your parents, then I can give you an idea. Tell me. One of my friends works at an online education company. Work from home. It's about 3 hours per day. And she teaches students online and gets a good salary as well. Really? But will I get a chance for a job there? Well, you are good at maths. Try once, they would select you for sure. But how can I join there? Wait for 1 day. I will go to college tomorrow, talk to her and fetch all the details about it. Thank you, Ritu. If I get selected, then I would have no problem at all. Yes, and you will be able to continue with your studies as well. And I don't have leave this apartment. And I will be able to eat the most delicious pasta in the world cooked by you. Thank you so much, Ritu. You are the best. With the help of this conversation, you will be able to learn a lot of new daily use sentences, and I am sure that you will be able to use those sentences in your day-to-day life. So, this was a conversation. I hope you liked it.
સબસ્ક્રાઇબ કરો અમારી ચેનલ ક્રેઝી કિડ્સ લર્નિંગ. નવા વિડીયોનું નોટિફિકેશન મેળવવા માટે બેલ આઇકોન પ્રેસ કરવાનું ચૂકશો નહીં. અને જો તમને વિડીયો પસંદ આવે તો લાઈક અને શેર કરવાનું ભૂલશો નહીં.